absolute winter wonderland going on. Just incredible. What a display. What a display here. It's November 30th at night. Driving from the east, heading north, I've seen reports of anywhere from 1 to 3, even 4+ feet in the area. I don't want to go too far given the conditions at night driving in Lake Effect, so I figured Adams would be a good choice. Here's a weather sounding from Adams, New York, around the time I'd be arriving at 7 p.m. A sounding is just a vertical snapshot of the atmosphere. Lake temperatures at this time off of Ontario were record warm, near 50 degrees. And this thermal clash of really cold temperatures throughout the column of the atmosphere, along with off the surface of the lake, allowed for this real amazing lake effect setup to happen and produced feet of snow over the course of days around this area. Now driving north on I-81, and I want you to see how quickly we go from no snow to heavy snow in such a short amount of time, not only from the sky but on the roads and the side of the roads. Look, as we get closer and more into the band where the heavy snow has been for days, you can see how just a few miles can make a difference with feet of snow. It's what truly makes Lake Effect snow an amazing beast. Live here from Adams, New York, here at the Mcdonald's, and it was just kind of grappling with snow, and now it's full on dendrites coming out of the sky with this band now. Super impressive. Hard to tell. I had to get my water bottle down, a little bit of compaction, but anywhere from around 15 to 20 inches of snowpack I found so far. I'm guessing it's a little bit condensed. I can feel that it packed down a little bit, like halfway through, probably a lot from yesterday, but it is full on ripping right now. It's just such an incredible experience, almost a year apart from me, where I was about 10 miles south last year, and I mean, just incredible. I mean, you can look up there in the skylights and just see it. I mean, unbelievable here. Absolutely ripping. Hoping I can get some thunderstorm here, or some thunder snow here, and see what can happen. But unbelievable. I'm in heaven right now. It's just incredible. What an experience. All right, well, this was a quick pit stop. Got to get back to Massachusetts, but what a wonderful experience. It was not really even supposed to come, but just had to make a pit stop. How many opportunities you get to say you were a part of a historic Lake Effect event. Just to the north here, I saw a report a few hours ago from Adams, or maybe a couple hours ago, I don't know, around 5:30ish, whatever. It was Adams Center, just to the north here, about 10 minutes next town over, about 36 inches of snow. Probably 40 something now, if I had to guess. I don't know, but it's obvious there's been a little bit of a mix of grapple and snow here at times. It's not, at least at the moment, and probably yesterday, so it's not 100% snow. It was for a second at the moment. It's a mix of both, but it's still impressive. About 1.5 feet of snow here. Just an overall very impressive. No thunder snow going to be happening. Look like that. It switches to all dendrites and snow just as I'm talking. So it keeps going back and forth here. So extremely impressive as the state police trooper drives by there at a good speed. But unbelievable experience. I'm guessing just a little bit farther to the east, just northeast, even just a little bit, is where some of those a little bit more interior where probably more dendrites have been falling and more fine snowflakes, or just pure snowflakes, sorry, versus this kind of grapply snow mix here. But unbelievable, super impressive. About a 1.5 foot of snow. I've measured anywhere from about 15 to 20 inches, and and compacted. So probably accumulation is probably around 20 or just over 20. So went with a 18-inch average for this. So very, very impressive. And hopefully I'll be back again here soon, and give you guys a little bit of a view, a taste here what the lake effect machine's doing off Lake Ontario. So very impressive. All right, one last update here. I said that was my last one, but incredible, dendrites have been coming out of the snow here for the last few minutes now, and I had to start filming again. Just unbelievable. Again, I can't get over it. Just so incredible. What's gone on here. They're plowing. They're doing an amazing job, even though it was messy on the interstate. They're doing an amazing job, and I'm about to be back on it. So, wish me safe travels there. And I mean, the dendrites just coming out of the sky at an unnatural rate. Just incredible to watch unfold here. What a display here by Mother Nature. Unbelievable. Extremely low visibility. Extremely low. Probably about a quarter mile right now. See some of the workers' cars here from McDonald's. Some of these I'm guessing, got here earlier today. You can see that's additional snow from today, so good luck for them. All right, now it's time to head back. Fortunately, I couldn't stay for long, but something that I really couldn't miss. And here's radar indicating, conditions are going to be pretty rough on this drive back. So not for long, but briefly, they're going to be pretty intense. Take a look. So now you can kind of see the heavy snow falling. There's a little bit of grapple mixing in before. Look here on radar showing in it, but about to get out of the heaviest from Adams as we entered Mansville, New York, heading south on I-81. Fortunately, couldn't stay for long, but you can see roads starting to clear up as I'm leaving. And, again, wanted to stay for longer, but couldn't, unfortunately. Just lake effect snow is such a unique beast. Over the course of this multi-day event just southeast of Watertown, there is as much as I think 67 inches of snow, close to almost 6 feet of snow reported. And obviously Lake Erie got a lot of snow too, but just an incredible event.